Another edition of In the Workshop with Bivouac Jack. Anyway guys, I've been very busy, incredibly busy actually. I'm insulating the roof, you can't see it, I may show you later. Just back there, the workshop's been insulated. I started the next batch of knives. Dig Dug, if you're watching, your knives, the blanks are over there, I'll show you them in a minute. Rich, lone woodpecker, this one's for you. Beautiful knife, beautiful and sharp. This is that horrible thin paper. Very thin paper. Now I know I made you a knife and a sheath a while ago, but I've took the liberty of making you another sheath as well. This is a much more refined sheath than the one I made for you last time, fire steel loop. There you go, Rich, that's for you. If you can PM me your address, I'll post it off tomorrow morning, Monday. So it'll probably take best part of a week to get over to the Balearic Islands. You've been a great supporter of Jack Law Knives and you deserve it, mate. That's yours. The other knives are all done apart from this one here. This is for Funky Prepper. Got the scales, Darren. I'll put the scales on, but you can do the shaping when you come here on Saturday. Darren's coming to visit me in a week's time, so you can shape the scales to how you want them. Quick update on the workshop. Got a bargain came my way from a neighbour. Dummy John might know about this. A new drill, massive great thing. I don't know, you can see it next to the other drill. That was my the one I've been mostly using, the blue one, the little Clark pillar drill, good for accurate holes, but this one is made by a company called Sheaths. It's got a substantial single phase motor on the back, a substantial table, just a much higher quality machine altogether. And the table actually rotates and you can lock it off in any position. This is the other angle of that drill. There, Sheaths 12 speed it says. Don't know how old this machine is. I know it runs well. Let's plug it in. Big half-inch chuck on it. Nice action. I know in the cover there are 3 sets of pulleys to give you the speeds that you need. Fastest speed is 2,580 RPM. And the slowest is 210. That's quite a speed range, really. Not had a lot of use. Nick, Dig Dug, these are the 3 blanks for you, 01 tall steel, 1mm thick. They're going to be your Jack Laws. So that's basically an update, really. I've got some more knives to cut off in the bandsaw here on the roof space. It's a tip at the moment. I'm insulating it in preparation for the winter. I've built a false wall this side of the workshop, and in this space here, just in this area here, I'm having a pot belly stove, wood burning stove. so I'm looking forward to that. I think we're in for a cold winter. So all that leaves, what I need to do now before I bid you farewell is just finish off cutting these 4 more blanks. Sorry about the shaky video. Cut these 4 more blanks on the metal cutting bandsaw. Very hard work for this machine, you know. As Foggy would say, job done. Well, there's a total of 8 blanks there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to work on 4 at a time now. I find that 8 is just it's hard work. 4 at a time. A lot more new subscribers to this channel too. I don't often have time to reply to comments. I do read all the comments. I do thank you for supporting my channel and subscribing, and for supporting Jack Law Knives.